Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my PM recap of the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the euro dollar kind of a very sideways corrective pattern, but I think I have figured it out. I think this is likely a wave A, and I think this is likely a wave B, especially with these higher lows right here compared to this. It definitely looks like one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. So now we're probably making some sort of a regular flat. Probably going to now make five waves up to probably about the 100% Fibonacci extension for a wave C. So I think that this is likely a wave A down. I think now we're likely in an A, B, C, or B, and then once that's over, we're probably going to go down, probably break the structure on the higher time frames for a wave C, probably completing an A, B, C, or maybe even stretching out into a 1, 2, 3. We'll just have to wait and see what the price action tells us. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.